Hello, everyone. So you just bought a new laptop, right? You bought a new laptop, you want to install other applications, and it's always telling you that you must install from the Microsoft um, store, right? And you don't want to do that. I know the Microsoft store is amazing, it has a lot of resources, but it's always taking you right here. Anytime you want to install an application, then you have to install it from the Microsoft store. Well, I have a solution for you. And one way you can actually do this is this. So I'm going to show you how to fix it so that you can install any other applications that is not even find you cannot find them in the micro, because most of them you have to actually pay for them, right? And you probably have a software you've bought, you want to install it, and they're telling you that you have to install it from the Microsoft store. So how do you get to fix it? So I get to show you how to do that. Okay, so you're going to go to you click on your start. So search for your settings, go to apps, and right here on the apps, click on what? Advanced app settings. Now under the advanced app settings, you see where it should choose where to get apps. Now at default, you probably see something here, the Microsoft Store only recommended. Well, you don't want to do that. So you choose what? Anywhere. I want to install it anywhere I choose. I'm the owner of the laptop. I bought the laptop with my own money. So I get to choose where I get to store them. Okay. And that would actually solve your problem. Okay. So hope that was really helpful. And please do well to share this video with your friend who just got a new Windows operating laptop and would need to learn this so that they can actually install any other application. All right. See you on the next one.